Let's discuss the most important and complex topic today, that is dialysis disequilibrium syndrome, also known as DDS. Is a neurological complication that the patient can experience during or shortly after hemodialysis and is primarily caused by a rapid removal of uremic waste from the blood. Is more common in patients having dialysis for the first time or when the dialysis sessions are too aggressive. Pathophysiology of DDS. Due to the rapid removal of uremic waste from the blood becomes low in concentration, while the concentration of uremic waste is higher in the brain. That leads to osmotic gradient between the blood and the brain starts pulling water from the body. That leads to swelling of the cells, also known as cerebral edema. So due to cerebral edema, patient experiencing certain clinical manifestations as well as neurological complications such as fatigue, mild headache, nausea, vomiting, convulsions, coma, and the symptoms are often seen in patients with the higher uremic concentration in the blood. Management of the DDS includes airway protection. Airway protection should be the priority. And the number 2 is shorter dialysis session. 2 hours is recommended. Number 3 is small surface area of the diastole, like the small surface area of the membrane typically should be less than 1.5 square meter. And low sodium diastole is also used during dialysis just to manage a fluid over volume as well as to maintain a higher blood pressure in the kidney patient. Hyperglycemic solutions such as dextrose 25% is also used to manage the symptom of hypoglycemia, as well as mannitol is also best solution to lower down the cerebral edema. And continuous renal replacement therapy is also used to manage the patient who are having high risk for DDS. I hope you understand everything about DDS, and now is the time to solve the question. And the question is, the client receiving dialysis is complaining of being dizzy and lightheaded. Which action should the nurse implement first? I will give you 4 options. Number 1 is place the client in the Trendelenburg position, and the number 2 is turn off the dialysis machine immediately. Number 3 is bolus the client with 500 ml of normal saline. Notify the healthcare provider as soon as possible. So try to choose the correct answer. Option 1 is the correct answer for this question. The nurse placed the client in the Trendelenburg position. What the nurse will do, like she just raised the foot end of the patient to maintain a proper blood supply to the brain just to overcome the cerebral edema. Thank you.